Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either automatically hide scroll bars on Windows 11 or always display them. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and select Settings. Select Accessibility on the left panel here, and then on the right side you want to select Visual Effects. You can search for this as well using the magnifier icon down in the taskbar. And where it says always show scroll bars, if you always want to show scroll bars, keep it in the on position, otherwise turn it off. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.